Dear students, you all are again welcome in this e-lecture series. In last e-lecture, we have studied the facts about gravitational force. Now we are going to start the acceleration due to gravity, which is represented by small g letter. So let's start. When an object is made to fall freely under the Earth's gravitational field, then the acceleration in the object is due to the gravitational pull. मतलब अगर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को, किसी द्रव्यमान को पृथ्वी के गुरुत्वीय क्षेत्र के अंदर यदि हम मुक्त रूप से गिराते हैं, तो जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, जो मास है, उसके ऊपर एक गुरुत्वाकर्षण बल लगता है और उसके कारण उस ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर एक एक्सेलरेशन लगता है. उसे हम ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन कहते हैं. टू फाइंड द relationship for the small g gravitational acceleration, let's assume that an object is having mass m, is at r distance from the earth's center. The gravitational force on the mass m will be, as we know from the Newton's gravitational law, that F is equal to capital G m upon r square, where g is universal gravitational constant, me is the mass of earth, small m is the mass of that object under consideration, and small r is the total distance of the object from the center of earth. So r is equal to re plus h, where r is the earth's radius and h is the height of that object from the earth's surface. And from the Newton's second law, we know that F is equal to ma, or we can write F is equal to mg when the object is under the influence of gravitational field of the earth. So comparing equation 1 and 2, we will get that small g is equal to capital G me upon r square. After comparing the equation 1 and 2, we will get small g is equal to capital G me upon r square. If we assume the object at the surface of earth, and if we want to know the value of gravitational acceleration at the earth's surface, r is equal to re plus h, and at the surface of earth h will be equal to 0. So re is equal to re. Small r is equal to capital Re. Means the object is situated at the earth's surface. So at the surface of earth, small g is equal to capital G me upon capital Re square. So this is the expression for gravitational acceleration at the surface of earth, where capital G is the universal gravitational constant, which has the value of 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is mass of earth, which is of the order of 10 raised to 24 kilograms, and r is the earth's radius, which is about 6400 kilometers. So by putting all these values, we can find out the value of small g at the earth's surface. From equation 3, this is the expression for small g at the surface of earth. If you want to express the value of small g in the form of earth's density, we can write mass of earth is equal to mass of volume of earth and density of earth. So assuming the earth as a spherical object, spherical body which has the radius of capital Re, so the volume will be 4 by 3 pi Re cube multiplied by d, where d is the earth's density. Small g is equal to G me. We will put the value of me as 4 by 3 pi Re cube multiplied by d. So we will get the value of small g in the form of density 4 by 3 g pi re d. By putting all these values, we will get g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Now if we want to know the value of small g, gravitational acceleration at the moon's surface, we will replace all the values for moon except the capital G, which is the universal gravitational constant. Small g is equal to capital G mass of moon multiplied by radius of moon square, where mass of moon is 7.34 into 10 raised to the power 22 kilograms, and radius of moon is 1737 kilometers. This is kilometer. So finally we will get that small g m is equal to 1.62 meter per second square, which is approximately equal to the which is approximately equal to 1/6 of the gravitational acceleration at the surface of Earth. So this is the expression of this is the value for gravitational acceleration at the surface of moon.